But what I do is I work at the post. So you are in the science behind. So Aurora Argonne was one of the
dollars, 1800s, like they cost 5 grand, you come up with it, and buy it. What was it? I told them.
and you set it into a supercomputer. It can actually simulate. Let's go back. Maybe or like tomato season. Similarly, in season is pretty.
So the other one was like.
But what I do is I work as a post-baccalaureate appointee, which means that I have completed my 4th degree in computer science, and now I'm doing research at the Argonne Leadership Computing Facility. And my research is primarily focused on supercomputing education, so you are in good hands. You can ask all the hard questions, and I'll maybe have an answer. Before we begin, do you guys know what a supercomputer is? What was it? What are you doing here? No, I'm just teasing. What makes a supercomputer a supercomputer? And see the supercomputer Aurora itself. We'll actually watch a short video to orient you to where you are in the building and like what division works on this specific part of the lab. Please let me know if you cannot hear this video.
Robotics to automate scientific discovery. Even links to Argonne's advanced
So you are in the science behind. So Argonne was one of the laboratories that essentially worked with the Manhattan Project and was essentially in its first race to get a nuclear chain reaction. And then once we got the atomic bomb, thing that helps science accelerate a lot faster is building computers. And quintillion operations for a second. You might be wondering what the heck is quintillion? It's 10 with 18 zeros behind it. So that means that one operation can be like 2 plus 2 equals 4. And if you do 2 plus 2 equals 4 times like 10 to the 18 trying to have the capacity of supercomputers advanced
Computers in the world.
That's very good. Yes, so we actually have something called the top 500 in the world of supercomputing where we essentially chart like the fastest supercomputer. Aurora is now at 4th. It's the fastest.
우와, 리다의 슈퍼컴퓨터 뭐 하는 거야?
Yeah. $1,000, 1,500, and it cost them 5 grand, and you come up with a data, and you was buying it. What it was like 5.
16 gigs of data in the plane. Too high.
How about you, Sophia?
I understand the colleges found out that and these are MySpace network interfaces. Sure, it makes more. Yeah, more. They help communicate with the other platforms in super technical. How heavy you can get pounds. So it's about the size and weight of the largest aircraft passenger. Have very specific kinds of education. Behind the front engineering of the supercomputer makes people have to use the floor that sits under the ethos is the only floor like
Build this around. It's like $1 million.
As best I can. The first one is I'm actually going to put you in a scenario. Let's say you are a neurosurgeon and you have to find an aneurysm in a patient's brain. The best way you might do that is finding the site of the aneurysm using MRI data, right? And then cutting it open and trying to save the patient. But you still are guessing about where the aneurysm might be. If you took that MRI data and you fed it into a supercomputer, it can actually simulate, let's go back, maybe, or like tornado season. Similarly, hurricane season is a thing, and every year we do promises. And this is actually Hurricane Maria in 2017. What we do is we use the supercomputer, and we have radar technology that collects the at-wrecked. But like here, you can tell where specifically which areas are going to get wrecked in what ways. So this can help us send better like search and rescue teams and like where the intensity of the storms were. But also like, but the idea is that to reduce from building pictures probably or more than of the sky in the night and trying to find what the stars, where the stars have been. Essentially, this now you're seeing before you 1 trillion amount of particles as the birth of the universe, like, as history evolved in the nuclear. Chernobyl happened because there was not safety in nuclear power plants. Like safety was not a big consideration, and so we learned a great lesson. You might not be able to like stick your head inside a nuclear reactor.
No, we were just talking.
So the other one was like all the stars, like the